So we're back in the Orchard, which I'm really excited about. And in the Orchard, we have Addie's Link development. And in this building, we have a 2-story, 1,244 square foot unit, which is very much like a townhouse. 3 bedrooms, massive terrace on the main floor, balcony off the master bedroom upstairs. And to top it all off, 3 parking spaces. If you're into completely maintenance-free living, but you still want townhouse space, this home will be for you.